So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see the entire stock market's performance on one click. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have and open a fresh web page. Once you go over there, here you have to search for finviz.com/screener dot a slash map. Here you need to search for map. Finviz.com/map/adx. Check for the URL if I pronounce it wrong. Now here, once you open it, here you can see the entire performance of the top stocks, and you can check the performance of entire stock market on this one page. Which stocks have been raised, which stock have lost its values, and multiple data are available right in front of you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.